If you want to turn on the vibration sound when you get a call on iPhone, I just show you. First open settings and scroll down and open sound and haptics. Now open ringtone. Now swipe up. Here you can see vibration. Open that. Now here you can select any of these vibration sounds. I just select default. If it shows none, there is no vibration. So you need to select any of this vibration sound. I just select default. Let's see. Now you can clearly hear the vibration. So this is how you need to do on iPhone. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone, watch these videos.